quick little video out of my comfort zone, somewhere in the woodlands. I'm trying to simply find some sort of a minimalistic composition, square format. I'm also trying to use my new Sony A7CII camera to see how it gets. And yep, those are the woodlands I'm talking about. As you can see, it's a lot of chaos in here, and let's hope we can find something worth shooting. There is a majestic forest just behind us, but for the moment I don't see anything striking. Light is not in our favor either, because it's a little bit of a overcast day, so I would have preferred for sun to shine through these branches, but we'll see. We'll explore further. Now I found this composition with these yellow branches on the green background. It's not good. I don't like it. But from this angle and around 70 millimeters, it looks much better. So I took the photo. In all this chaos, I have found this lonely tree, which is projected on a dark background. I'm using a polarizing filter as well, which does absolutely nothing but prolonging the exposure. I'm still happy with the photo. I have found this intimate landscape photograph, which I barely never do, but I found this color contrast being interesting, and I shot this at 1.8 of a second with a polarizing and f8. I like the photograph. Now I have found this horizontal branch with a little bit of leaves, like they looks like a medallion. I don't really like it. I took the photograph, but it doesn't really work. The next composition I found is here in front of you. Those leaves medallions thingy projected on a dark background. Same theme. It kind of works and it doesn't work. It kind of works at 80%. We'll explore further. I took the photograph anyway. Now I have found this fallen birch there on my right, and I focused on it at 200 millimeters and 100 millimeters. I'm using a polarizing just to emphasize on the beautiful birch skin. I'm happy with the photograph. I'll surely return here. I think you can see the pattern now. I have this tree behind me with still green leaves projected on a very dark background. Looks like a good minimalistic photo in square format at f8 with polarizing to remove the glare. I like this one as well. Here behind me, looking like a goal post, we have these birch trees, and in the upper thirds, beautiful golden leaves. I took a photograph at f8 with a polarizing filter. I give it kind of 3 stars out of 5. Doesn't really work, but I had to take it. So woodland photography is not kind of my cup of tea, but it definitely works. You can do it most of the time in spring and autumn. In autumn we have very beautiful foliage, and spring everything is kind of green, so you end up with a bunch of photographs with flowers and stuff. Apart from that, in winter is great again for minimalistic photography. We have this pristine snow and some lonely trees. Everything is black and white even if you don't want to, but there is no snow here in Ireland, so I end up with autumn for a few weeks. It's not something that I really do, but I like to go into the forest and resolve those puzzles, you know, find those minimalistic composition. I'll be doing it again, but probably next year. And that concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed.